this video, we're gonna unbox the Panasonic Lumix G90. Very interesting. Alright, we're back with the Panasonic Lumix G90, and I have to say guys, first impression so far, it is nice, small, compact, feels very lightweight. And let's take a first picture together. Right, this is on auto mode. Let's do a quick one. I can see myself and now you can see me. So let's see how this looks. It looks nice on the screen. I am quite sharp, I would say. I am quite sharp. Alright, so let's switch things around and going to switch the Sony to the Panasonic and see how it looks. Let's go. Alright, as you can see right now, this is on the Panasonic Lumix G90, and to me, on the screen itself, it looks okay. I'm not sure if there's any autofocus going on whatsoever. I really don't know. It is just in manual mode, 4K, 25 frames per second. And I don't know, it looks pretty okay to me. But maybe on a bigger screen, it might be a little bit different. I hate it that I have to look that way to see myself, but you know, it is what it is. So far, I like it. In terms that is small, compact, lightweight, image is looking okay, the display is quite nice. And even though I ordered the wrong one, I thought I ordered the G9 Mark II, I think this will be a nice little camera to test out as well. You know, why not? Have fun with it. Let's do a little bit of zooming in if possible. Oh, look at this. I am so close. Alright, anyways guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks. And I will let you know. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Do you need anything that you need to know about this? You know, in terms of video, maybe photo, let me know in the comment section down below. I hope the weather outside is quite nice so I can go outside a little bit more. And if not, I will do some indoor photography or some, I don't know, we'll see. I got time. I got time, guys. All right. See you in the next one. Good luck. Bye-bye.